This video tutorial I will cover at resource annotation in setter method. Here I have defined the class address. It has three properties: city, state and country. It has address constructor, and here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties: name and address. And for address property, here we have setter method. And in setter method of address, I have applied at resource annotation. So address object will be injected to employee by Spring container, and it has employee constructor and display employee details method. At resource annotation auto-wire the bean by matching name. We can apply at resource annotation in setter method or field. In this example, we have applied at resource annotation in setter method. This is the Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates address object and employee object, and auto-wire the address object to employee object, because we have applied at resource annotation in setter method of address. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and calling display employee details method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object. Name is set as Peter, and address object is injected to employee.